So last time we were doing cubes, right? So any doubts in that topic? Any questions in that topic?
No, sir.
Hmm?
No, sir. No, sir.
All clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. Okay, let me share. Cubes. So last time what we did was cubes of two-digit numbers. So now you can find the cubes of any number. Let's say if I ask you to find for 35 cube, can you find?
Yes, sir.
Please do it.
Sir.
Cube.
So 42875. Sir, 42875.
Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what we did, a cube, a square b, b square a, and b cube. And then we double the middle terms. Now, same is there. Now, if it is three-digit number, you remember we did scaring with three-digit numbers. How we did?
Sir.
You remember?
So can you repeat?
Do you remember how we did scaring with three-digit numbers? No.
So with the
Okay,
duplex
I'll show
method.
you. No, when we talk about this, see here, you can have A is equal to 10 and B is equal to चाय आ गई है ऊपर जल्दी आ जा जल्दी A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 2. So what is A cube? 1000. Correct. What is A square B? 200. What is B square A? 40. What is B cube? 8. Clear? Now 400, 800, 8, 120, 600, 1000. Up till here, any doubt?
No, sir.
So what we'll get? 8021061. Clear? This is one thing. Now, similarly, to make it more short, we can have A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, 2.
02.
So what will happen? A is equal to 1, A square B. So A is 1. So A square B will be 0, 2. A square B square A 0, 4 and 0, 8. Double 0, 4, 0, 8. So what happens? 0, 8, 1, 2, 0, 6 and 1. Finish. See, both the ways the answer is same. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Attempt one question. Try with both the ways. 1, 1, 3 cube. Attempt it. Make it 11 as A and B as 3. And in second, change it. Do it. Yes. 113. What is the answer?
Sir, doing the second page, just a minute.
Yes, Satya. क्या आंसर है?
Sir, do second one, but
Sir, same answer in
What is the answer?
both of them. One 1442897.
14428.
97.
Yes, Kanish. हाँ, इतनी देर तक पहले कितनी देर तक रखे रखे कितनी की यहाँ कितने की कम है कितने की 320 बस 320 की क्या अब दो इधर ये चलो ले लो अभी दे दूं मैंने नहीं नहीं मैं नहीं यस गिव मी द आंसर नाउ वो खोल ले खिड़की इधर से खोल ले सारे खोल दे ताकि मच्छर का नामो निशान नहीं है
Sir, the answer is 1442897.
144289
7.
7.
so Kanish you also got it
Yes, sir.
now see this technique is okay for 2-digit numbers but 3-digit numbers we don't recommend this right so for that today we'll learn one more method I just showed you yes this can be done but for all numbers we cannot do this because then it will become tough for you right for example let's take okay let's try some numbers 176 try doing this only let's do this only first so that you understand the things
Sir, with both process?
both are for your verification see for your reference only na
सर जब हम बी की वैल्यू लेंगे तो 76 तो बहुत बड़ा हो जाएगा नंबर
यस तभी तो मैंने बोला तो 76 बड़ा होगा तो हम क्या करेंगे उसको उधर रख देंगे 76 को पहले करेंगे ये मेथड इसीलिए
Yes,
तो
sir.
बताया गया डबल डिजिट का वाई वी ऑप्टेड फॉर 17 एंड 6 पहला मेथड दूसरे में इन दिस पर्टिकुलर आपका पहला ही टेक्निक काम करेगी ए एज 17 बट इन इफ इट वाज 761 देन और 716 तो दैट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड ठीक है चलो करो गर्म पानी बर्तनों में रख रखा है उस गीजर का। बंद फिर नहीं कर गई। मैंने तो देखा ही नहीं। मैं तो वॉशरूम लग गई फिर। क्रीम ले ले कोई। मुझे पता था कल भी ऐसे ही उसने किया तो पैर धो रहे थे और पहले देखता। नाश्ता अभी क्या कहूँ। ये तो मैं बैग रेस्ट कर। हाँ मैं भी। यस कनिष्क क्या हुआ। चलो ये प्रैक्टिस कर लेना कोई बात नहीं। आई गिव यू वन मोर मेथड फर्स्ट। एक होमवर्क के लिए ये ट्राई करना 1122 क्यूब। इसमें 11 का क्यूब निकालोगे आप 22 का निकालोगे सेपरेट। 11 इंटू 22 भी करोगे करेक्ट बट
यस सर।
it would be very difficult correct no issues so today ये होमवर्क है हम अभी टाइम नहीं लगाएंगे इस पे। ये आप होमवर्क में लिख लो आपने करके सॉल्व आराम से टाइम लगा के करना so that you understand this. Now we'll do another method. Now another way is Nikhilam method. Now Nikhilam अगर आपको याद हो so what we did earlier was 11 क्यूब अगर हमें करना है अगर नेट डिस्कनेक्ट होगा कोई बात नहीं कनेक्ट हो जाएगा करेक्ट। नाउ अर्लियर if you remember we did multiplication of three numbers. What was that? 11 into 12 into 13. याद है ये नम हमने क्या किया था? 1 2 3. We did 11 plus 2 plus 3. Correct? In second step, we did 1 into 2, 1 into 3, and 2 into 3. Correct? And the third, we did
Yes, sir.
1 into 2 into 3.
6.
Correct? Now, what was this? This was a deviation or difference. Now, same thing. Okay, what was the answer? 1 6. 2 plus 3. Okay, here it was plus plus plus. 2 plus 3 was 5. 5 plus 6 was 11.
11.
And here 6. So it was
6.
1 7 1 6. Correct? This you already know.
Yes, sir.
अब इसी को हमने change करा because there we were multiplying three numbers. Now let's suppose these numbers. So general term क्या बन गई? Let here it would be 11 11 11. Correct. So that means you'll have 1 1 1. Now in general, if you say this is your number, this is your D. So what is this? N plus 2D. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
here all would be 1. So that means 3D square. क्यों? क्योंकि 1 into 1 is means D into D is D square plus D square plus D square. So that is 3D square. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
कनिष्क समझ आया कि नहीं?
No, sir. Sir, the second step.
Hey, did you understand this, Kanish?
Sir, the second step I did.
चलो मैं अभी समझा देता हूँ. And the third is D cube. भाई ये देखो ना, 3D square कैसे हुआ? 1 into 1. 1 is what? D. D. क्या आया आंसर? D square. तो 3 बार करना था ना?
Yes, sir.
So क्या हुआ? 3D square and D cube.
Yes, sir.
क्योंकि लास्ट में तो तीनों को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो D cube. 1 into 1 into 1. अब 1 नहीं लो, keep it as a general term. So this is your formula for finding the cube. So answer क्या आया? N क्या है? 11. 2D क्या हुआ? 2 into 1 means 2. 3 into 1 square is 1 and D cube is 1. So 1, 3, 13. Got it? नहीं. कनिश अब समझ आया कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
अब याद करो, मैं एक पहला मेथड जब कराया था 11 के लिए तो व्हाट वी डिड? 1, दूसरे में 1, इसका स्क्वायर 1, इसका क्यूब 1, दोनों में ऐड कर
1.
किया 2 2. So this was 1 3 3 1. 11 is a simple number, so it can be done. याद है ये फर्स्ट मेथड जो मेथड अभी हम कर रहे थे, the easy trick method or the formula for method. So now you understood the first one.
Yes, sir.
Write down both the ways you can write down. So this is a general term, n plus 2d slash 3d. देखो फॉर्मूला ऐसे बनाना है, खुद रट्टा नहीं मारना है. Done or not?
So not written yet.
लिख लो.
Sir, written.
Yes, Kanish, Satya.
Sir, written.
Now,
Sir, written.
अब सिंपल करना हो, let's find out for 15 cube. So number is 15, correct? No doubt. What is D? D is deviation or difference or 5. So first is N plus 2D. Second is 3D square. Third is D cube. So give me the answer. ये starting with 1 वाले तो हम वो formula लगा सकते हैं. But instead of that formula, 4 steps. For other numbers, we can apply in 3 steps. Do it. What is the answer now?
So 3375.
Yes, Kanish? Is it done? Yes, correct. See, 15 plus 2D is 10. Correct. 3 into D square is 5 square, 25, 75. DQ, 125.
Yes,
So
sir.
5, 12 goes here. So 7, 8 goes there. So 25 plus 8 is
33.
done. कनिश देखो वहां 4 स्टेप्स थे. आप लिखते 1, फिर 5, फिर 25, फिर 125, फिर डबल करते उनको. Again, I'm making again reverse. 1, 5, 25, 125. So 10, 50. So this was 1, 15, 75, 125. So 5 as it is, 12 goes here, becomes 87. So 7, 8 goes there, so it becomes 23. So 3, 2 goes further, so 3. Clear? गणेश समझ आया? ये पहला कंसेप्ट है. ये अब वाला सेकंड. सत्या.
Yes, sir. समझ में आ गया.
सत्या, is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So let yes, गणेश हो गया.
Yes, sir.
चलो एक और करो. अब नॉन सीरीज के नंबर करते हैं. 23 स्क्वायर, 23 क्यूब. डू इट यूजिंग दिस. डू इट.
Sir, 3197.
क्या हुआ सत्य?
Sir, 3197.
3.
No, sir, it is wrong. I think.
यस सत्य क्या बोले आप?
Sir, it was wrong, sir. I'll check it.
हो गया?
सर बस होने वाला है। सर 12167। सर 12167।
ओके यस अदर? यस सत्या?
Sir, I'm doing 3 times, but I couldn't get the right answer.
Why?
Sir, I also did the other way and I got the same answer as he did. And then I tried the other way I thought and I got the correct answer, I think.
Okay, sorry. I got it. Why you're not getting correct? I'll tell you. The reason was you forgot. See, here n is 23.
23.
D is 3.
3.
But at the same time, see
13.
what first was n plus 2d. Second was 3d square. Third was d cube. But आप एक चीज भूल गए, यहां सब बेस क्या है? 20 है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
सो
Yes, sir.
हमें क्या करना था? इसको 2 स्क्वायर से, इसको 2 1 से, इसको 2 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करना था. 2 0 तो 1 ही होगा. सो इट इज डी क्यूब ओनली. हियर इट इज 2 इंटू 3d स्क्वायर एंड हियर इट इज 4 इंटू n प्लस 2d. भूल गए सत्य ये? इट इज नॉट related to base 10. It is sub base 20.
Sir, I took the deviation as 13.
Okay, if you take deviation as 13, then it would be done.
Yes, sir. I think.
But why should we take deviation as 13? Why should we make it such big number? Because deviation of 13 means you are calculating d cube. 13 cube. कनिष्ठ समझ आया?
Yes, sir.
भाई आप ये सोचो ना, you are doing while you were doing 21 into 22 into 23, what was the answer? It was, you was supposed to multiply this or not? याद आ गया? आया या नहीं कनेश?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the answer now? Satya.
Sir, can I? 12167.
Correct. But did you understand the method now?
Yes, sir.
So that was the reason when I taught you 3-digit numbers, multiplication of 3 numbers together. What was the purpose? This was the purpose. So that when you'll find the cubes, you will not face any difficulty. Correct.
Yes, sir.
सत्य अब आंसर आया कि नहीं? कनेश?
Sir, आ गया.
Yes, sir. 12167.
Correct. So now you got it.
Double
Now do
by
40.
by 2.
वो वही confusion थी आपकी. Do this. 43 cube.
Sir, 79507.
Sir, 79507.
Yes, Satya.
Yes, sir. Exact. Sir. 79507.
$55 cube. See now, it all depends on you, which you select. Now, such numbers are very easy with the first technique. Correct. But We should know both the techniques, no? Solve by this.
Sir, I started solving by the other one.
This also.
Okay.
Sir, with other processor 166375.
See that question, Satya, वो तो हमने कर लिया ना method.
Yes, sir.
कि
This वाले
125
से
into 125 in और 125 हर जगह लिख देंगे, है ना? पर इससे भी तो आना चाहिए ना?
Sir, getting same, sir.
Got it?
Yes.
Kanish?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
166
Yes, sir. Same.
3375.
Okay. Now, one more. $87 cube.
Sir, I'm getting, sir, 658503.
Yes, others. 658.
Sir, plus
658503.
Sir, 658503.
Same.
yes, sir, 658503.
Very good. Now see, earlier we did one question that was 102. So what I was doing, I was either taking A as 10, B is equal to 2, or I was taking A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 0, 2. Correct?
Yes.
But here, now here what I have to do? Here, understand, 102 means your N is 102, your base is 100, and D is 2. So what happens? 102 plus 2 into D. So 4.
Yes, sir.
3
Sir.
into D square means 4 and D cube means 8. So 8. No. Here base is 100. So you will choose 0, 8, 1, 2 and 106. You got the answer. Is it clear now?
Yes,
Yep.
sir.
Check the answer with the other one. Yes, we got this only earlier. 106, 1208.
Yes, sir.
So clear now?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt up till here?
Yes, sir.
Any questions?
Sir.
Clear? हो गया? Is it sorted?
Yes, sir.
So हमने क्वेश्चन किया था 113. Now do with this.
Okay.
Sir, base we can take 100 also, right?
100 ही आएगा और क्या लेंगे आप? 110 तो ले नहीं सकते, और 110 ले लिया तो हमें क्या प्रॉब्लम आएगी आपको पता है?
Sir, I'm getting 1442897.
पहले क्या आया था आंसर? यही क्वेश्चन हमने पहले मेथड से भी किया था ना, उसमें देखो क्या आया।
सर सेम है।
तो वही पूछ तो रहा हूं मैं आपसे, घबरा क्यों रहे हो?
ये सर सेम है सर, 1442897 वही है सर सेम।
नाउ इट इज इजी, बिकॉज यहां आपका बड़ा नंबर हो जाए, यू आर कंपेयरिंग विद द बेस। यस और नो? यस Ganesh,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
clear now?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
now
sir.
what you have got the books, you need to try more examples on this, right? दो methods मैंने आपको बता दिए हैं. I'll tell you one more simplest way, but find the difference. There we were taking 4 steps, 4 points we were writing. Here only 3, but 3 के लिए याद नहीं रहेगा आपको. So just to remember, take an example of multiplication of 11, 12, 13. You'll get it, how to make the formula, how to get the formula of, bus. Got it? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts? Yes, Hiteshi, any questions? Yes, Satya? Ganesh?
No, sir.
No, sir.
कोई डाउट है गणेश?
No, sir.
हितेशी कोई डाउट है?
सर ये जो अभी आपने 3 डिजिट स्टेप समझ नहीं आ रहा।
क्यों नहीं? इसमें बेस ले लो ना. बेस क्या होगा इसमें? 100.
सर 100 है। यस सर।
तो फर्स्ट है n प्लस डी 2d, 13 प्लस 26. तीसरा, सेकंड सॉरी, 3d स्क्वायर. सो व्हाट इज d? 13.
यस सर।
तो 169 एंड d क्यूब 100 लिया ना इसमें.
यस।
फिर और
ओके सर।
point is 100 is a base, so you have to have two digits. Clear?
Yes,
यस
sir.
सर।
102 का इसीलिए एग्जांपल दिया ना, और वही नंबर्स मैंने पिक किए हैं जो पहले हमने अभी सॉल्व किए थे। 102, 113, 176 नहीं किया अभी मैंने। 176 we will not do that. We'll take 200 as a sub base. That would be much easier. Abhi will come. One more method is there, but this is very easy. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
चलो ठीक है, होमवर्क करो।